Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best frying pans on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Lodge Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet. Cast iron frying pans have been much loved for generations, not only for how they cook, but also because they're nearly indestructible. This pan comes pre-seasoned, so you can use it immediately, but it will become more non-stick with additional seasoning and continued use. Our reviewer noted that even with seasoning, it isn't perfectly non-stick due to its rough surface, so cooking eggs and other foods that require more surface slip in this pan may not be ideal. You'll want a true non-stick pan. This pan can be used on any cooktop, including induction, as well as in the oven, on a grill, or over a campfire. Cast iron has superior heat retention and even heating, but the downside is that the handle can become hot during cooking. Luckily, you can opt for a version that comes with a silicone handle cover, which can be removed to use with other pans. As with most cast iron pans, it should be hand-washed only. Number 2. Our second best pick is Lodge 12-inch Seasoned Carbon Steel Skillet. When cast iron is simply too heavy for your taste, the Lodge Seasoned Carbon Skillet is a fantastic alternative. Just like the brand's classic cast iron pieces, this pan is made from an alloy of carbon and steel, but in slightly different ratios. It gives you the same heat conductivity, but with a much thinner, lighter construction. This model comes pre-seasoned, so it's ready to use right out of the box, but the surface gets even better with time and use. While our reviewer didn't think the pan's rustic design was conventionally attractive, they liked its responsiveness. It heats and cools quickly, which is useful for when your pan temperature needs to be adjusted while shallow frying or sautéing, and said it's a great alternative for those who dislike non-stick coatings, but want a good alternative for cooking sticky foods, like eggs. Plus, it can withstand super high temperatures, making way for a beautiful sear on steaks and other proteins. This 12-inch model provides plenty of surface area to cook for a large family or friends, though there are 8, 10, and 15-inch options available as well. Use it on every cooking surface, including induction burners, a campfire, or grill. Maintenance is fairly easy for carbon steel, too, and just like with cast iron, it is durable enough to last a lifetime with proper care. Number 3. Our third best pick is Le Creuset Enameled Cast Signature Iron Handle Skillet. While cast iron cookware is some of the most popular and durable out there, it does require regular maintenance in order to protect the surface from rust. If you want something that has the same durability, but is easier to care for, consider this enameled cast iron pan by renowned French manufacturer Le Creuset. The heavyweight fry pan has a black enameled interior that requires no additional seasoning and can sear, sauté, and fry with very little oil. Our reviewer couldn't find much to dislike about this pan, aside from its heft, which might be difficult for anyone who has a hard time moving heavy cookware. Like traditional cast iron, the heat retention is outstanding. The large loop helper handle provides easy maneuvering from stove to oven, too. It's oven/broiler safe up to 500 degrees. You'll be able to use this on any cooktop, including induction, and it can be tucked into the dishwasher for easy cleanup. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is All-Clad D3 Stainless Steel Tri-Ply Bonded Fry Pan. When it comes to frying pans, small ones are great for cooking a single egg or maybe two, but when you're cooking for multiple people, you need a lot more space. This generously sized frying pan gives you enough room to cook burgers, pork chops, or steaks for the whole family, and the stainless steel interior will give you a great sear. The polished starburst pattern inside helps to keep food from sticking, and the flared sides make it easy to toss food like a pro. This pan is oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees, so you can start cooking on the stove and finish in the oven, and it's induction compatible. It has an aluminum core on the bottom and up the sides of the pan, which is totally covered with durable stainless steel for fast, even heating and easy cleaning by hand or in the dishwasher. If this size isn't right for you, it is also available in 8, 10, and 14-inch versions to suit your needs. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Rachael Cucina Hard Porcelain Enameled Non-Stick Skillet Set. This skillet set includes both 9.25 and 11-inch skillets, so you'll always have the right pan for the job, whether you're cooking an egg or two for your own breakfast or frying a pound of bacon for the family. The modern, yet rustic design will look at home in any kitchen. The non-stick interior is a warm espresso color, while the choice of exterior colors ensures you'll find the one that matches your decor. These pans are made from aluminum for even heating and have a porcelain enamel exterior that can withstand heavy use. The handles have rubberized grips for a firm hold and are riveted on for safety. These pans are oven safe up to 400 degrees, but are not induction compatible. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.